Welcome to you. This is Mike Hamilton from Trade the Easy Way, and we're looking at the Dow on daily here. So after this three-wave move and the capitulation here, we've had leg one so far, and this was a retrace on leg two, and we are currently in the middle of leg three. So I would stick to the trend. I would look for a pullback around about the 290 area, 300, and see if we can get a leg down here. It looks to me as if we're at least going to test this low again, the 250 area, which is 1150 points away. No sign of any holding at the moment, so stay with the trend, stay on the short side, and let's see where we can go with that one. Straight into gold, and so we've had this reversal pattern, the cup and handle reversal pattern, straight into resistance. We've pulled back, we've hit resistance now. So this is a question of whether we're at 1140, and the major I've got this line is 1142. So at the moment this week we are closing higher. I think if we see strong US jobs, I think this could roll over as the dollar gets stronger and safe havens are not required. Oil pushed up into a resistance level and has pulled right back. I think we're going to roll back over. I think we could potentially roll back over, back down to the 40 mark. If you want to short that, I would look for 46.80, and your stop's going to have to be above 49.50 at least. Okay, onto Forex. US dollar CAD. We're losing momentum up here. You can see this MACD is just coming off divergence up here. So we've got a new lower high in the MACD and higher high in the daily. We're holding on to the 20 EMA, but I would leave it. I would stand aside. The pound US can't hold up. Got some manufacturing data tomorrow, so wait until we get at least the open range set up, see where we want to go, but that looks as if that could just keep falling. 152 is the next support level, so it looks like 153.50 is a potential, so 50 points up, 40 points up from here we are, from where we are here, to see if that can get another leg down. As for Elliott wave on this one, still, I suppose you could argue that's leg one. That's a minor leg two, or in a phase three here. Pound yen is much weaker. Still the moving average is crossing above. We're back down to the extreme low of the 24th. Next stop is 180. So if you get a pullback to 430, 450 roughly, not sure we'll go that far. That's the level for that one. Pound Aussie is slapped into that resistance area. It's a strong chart, however, that is quite a wall up there. I would just keep buying pullbacks in trends, and that's a trend. 217 is a potential for that one. Euro. It seems that weakness in the market sees repatriation of the euro. So this is divergent relationship with the indices, particularly the DAX, and this is closed above the 50% here. So this is a pullback. Knocking into the 200 EMA is potential for this to at least pause here, but I would just keep buying pullbacks, and 250 is the pullback area. Euro yen trying to hold up, but I would stick to the pound yen short. That is better. Euro pound. This confirms what we've just talked about with the euro getting bought and the pound selling. So significant move up in this one. We have a lot of resistance at 74. Well, that looks as if that could potentially do it. I'm personally not going to touch that at the moment. So because it's so near the resistance level. If it starts sitting on 74, that could find its way up to 75, 76. What haven't we looked at? Yeah, see the euro is a lot stronger than the pound at the moment. So if you did want to trade, if you did want to sell the Aussie, then the euro Aussie is a potential good option. Stocks, TJX. This is a bit like Macy's. We had almost like an exhaustion move to the upside, and the very next day they started to sell it. We had a reversal bar under the 20 EMA yesterday, and that has created some downfalls today. That looks as if that's not going to hold. If you get a pullback to 70, you're going to need a stop at least above 71 on that one. Macy's, that's too low. I'll try and find some better trades. Facebook is looking as if it wants to. I think all these charts want to come back and retest the lows. I think they're just rolling over. So we've got, I wouldn't want to short this one. There's the sell setup. There's the swift impulsive move to the downside. And as we pull back into this resistance area, we are just selling. So if you find a chart like that, then that is a good option. That was this is Amazon. Let's take all my old workings off. Now things have changed. Like I said, I think that will want to come and retest 45. You could short that around the 50-25 mark with a stop at that high to see if that can push down. The oil stocks have not done too bad. I mean, this is RIG. So we've got a stopping bar on the 26th. So the recovery in the oil price has pulled up a lot of these oil stocks. I mean, my attitude towards these would be, you can see the divergence down here as well. My attitude would be, these are perfectly tradable if you get reversal signals like a stopping bar, like on that one. But I would have short targets and just take smaller moves at this stage, and then make sure you've got more shorts than longs at this stage. Miners, yeah, and the recovery in the gold, and the strength in the gold at the moment, that's Vedanta. That's had a nice move off this support down here. That's 37.60. Fresnillo. Interesting. Vedanta is holding up much better than Fresnillo. Alright, we'll leave it there and see you tomorrow.